As soon as we realized that the Armada and the train that were coming through, 3 stations were going to be in Reston. We have the Willie Reston East, the Herndon Station, and the Reston Town Center Station. The Board of Supervisors realized that something needs to be done. They tasked the DPZ staff with reviewing the comprehensive plan, evaluating it to see what changes need to be done in order to make it align better with transit-oriented development ideals and design. The plan amendment dissolves the currently existing suburban center, as we call it right now, and turns it into 3 contiguous transit station areas, TSAs for short. So the areas right around the transit station areas currently are large parking lots for office use. Eventually, with the plan's help, we plan for these areas to be transit-oriented development areas where there'll be higher density, located right at the transit station. That tapers off as it comes from the transit station, a quarter mile or so. Within these transit-oriented development areas, we expect a lot of pedestrian use, bike use, also great urban landscaping or urban design will be key features of the area. Urban parks, we're talking about educational centers as well as schools and various other community activities will be available to those who will be living in this area, because this area will be residential, office, retail, and civic uses. The Planning Commission will have a public hearing on November 13th, which is next Wednesday. At that meeting, the PC will decide either to defer it to another date, they'll vote on it, or deny it. And again, it's a public hearing, so individuals can come out and speak for or against and give us their input on these things. And once the PC approves it, assuming it happens, it will go to the Board of Supervisors. Right now it's scheduled for December 3rd. Learn more about the proposed master plan at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DPC/Reston/.